show you where the sun's setting. Look at the engines now. You won't be able to see because of the clouds. There we go, going over my house. Looking at the engines. Alright, there we go. That sounded like a 777 going over. Goes my computer screen, I'll show you what that was. Time is 20:02 PM, 16th of March 2022. So that was that plane you just saw. I'll get that light on. There we go. That is a 777-200 of DHL. D/AALR. Where's my mouse screen? There it is. 32,000 feet. Actually, I'm just going to switch to flight radar 24 where the ability to where the plane was going. There we go, that plane. So that's DHL. Leipzig to Cincinnati. I think I pronounce it is it Cincinnati. 777, there's the Boeing 777 left, there's the reg. 32,000 feet, speed 553 miles, 5,333 miles per hour. Well, I did hear the engine's gone over, so obviously you did hear like those engines on the 777 that go over. Right, thanks for watching, bye bye.